Hidden in the shadows of Southeast Asia's rainforests lives a feline so rare, locals call it the ghost of the canopy. The clouded leopard wears a coat unlike any other, its fur patterned with swirling clouds that hide it among the trees. Despite its size, it wields saber-like fangs, nearly as long as a tiger's. It moves through the treetops like liquid shadow, climbing, hanging, even leaping headfirst down trees. Found across Nepal, India, and the islands of Southeast Asia, this hunter survives on birds, monkeys, and deer in the depths of the forest. But the forest is disappearing, and so are they. Hunted for their beauty, driven from their homes, the clouded leopard now walks the line between legend and loss. Mysterious, ancient, endangered, the clouded leopard, nature's living whisper.